Hello, welcome to RPG Entertainment. Today we are going to unbox the new Samsung wireless Bluetooth speaker called SP330. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh wow guys, this looks beautiful and feels pretty solid. I really like the brushed aluminum finish. So here's your power button, Bluetooth, audio jack and power input. The button has nice tactile feedback. Okay, now let's check the rest of the box. The usual USB cable for recharging your battery. Okay, this one looks like the standard Samsung smartphone charger. And lastly, the manuals, which are available in different languages. So there you have it guys, these are what you can expect from inside the box. Okay, now let's try to pair the speaker to my Galaxy Note 4 using Bluetooth. As you can see, the phone instantly detected the speaker. Just tap it to pair. Now we will play a test audio. The audio should play on the speaker.
I like this speaker and I'm giving it a thumbs up.